All right, how much is the Yamaha tank?
Yamaha's 50.
50?
Yep.
Do you know what it goes to?
1980, no, 1974 year.
Do you know if it's clean on the inside?
It's very clean on the inside.
What before you take it down, what would be your best on it?
My best on that would probably be $35.
All right, let me take a look at it. I just want to see it for condition.
That was somebody that was going to buy it for somebody's ashes. That's
Oh,
what they were
God.
saying yesterday.
Yeah, it's not the way I want to go.
Look at how clean it is inside.
Okay. Let's see some dents and stuff. Would you go 25?
30 is the lowest I'd go on it. And
All right.
And I'm not making shit on it. So.
I'll do it. I'll take it.